audience saying this one thing, or it's a unanimous thing, that when they saw the teaser and when they saw the trailer, everybody seems to be saying that it's looking like a nice big budget thriller film, and it's edgy and the content is nice, and they're liking all the characters in the teaser and trailer. Very encouraging for us. This is just the first perception of it. The show comes out on the 10th of September, and there's more coming. The faces of the
character's name have been kept. Right? It's just to create the buzz and
Yeah.
it's the same story, but otherwise everything else is fresh. So yeah. What I don't understand is that's a compliment, man.
That's a huge compliment. Thank you. So yes, it's not a serial. It's not a film. It's a web series. It's a web version of the Jamai Raja that you've seen, Jamai 2.0, and you'll love it.
Please watch it on 10th September.
Z5.
Z5.
भैया
भैया,
टीवी पे क्यों नहीं? हम छोटे लोग कहाँ से देखेंगे? अब जिनको आप खुद को छोटा बोल रहे हैं, आप लोग ना हो तो हमारे को वजूद ही नहीं है। तो आप ZTV पे आपने पूरा जमाई राजा देखा, आप थोड़ा सा पैसा खर्चा करिए और Z5 डाउनलोड कीजिए और देखिए 10 तारीख से जमाई 2.2।
And you can watch it anywhere. Just triple
That's
it's not
good.
heavy on your pocket.
आप ऑफिस में बैठे-बैठे भी जैसे आपको फुर्सत मिले आप देख सकते हैं, घर भागने की जरूरत नहीं। रवीज दुबे
जमाई तो टीवी पर ही थी, तब किसी को दुनिया में से बिगाड़ दिया।
और किस लिहाज से आप बोल रहे हैं? क्योंकि वो
get that question.
No, but if it wasn't for Nia, तो ये बहुत बड़ा ये breakthrough होता नहीं, मतलब ये psychological breakthrough नहीं होता, तो मैं अटका ही रहता उस podcast में।
चलो अच्छी बात
बहुत
है
thanks
भैया।
Thank you. ले पॉन्डी का शूटिंग क्यों लग रहा है?
क्योंकि ले पॉन्डी का ही है भाई।
पॉन्डिचेरी वाला।
So we were in Pondicherry and Le Pondi was the resort that we were shooting in, so yeah, it is Le Pondi. सही पकड़े। That's it.
Wow, thank you so much for doing
Pleasure.
this for us. It was nice to have this conversation with you. And all the very best. We're looking forward to the show.
Hi.
जमाई राजा की जमाई 2.0 क्या कहना चाहिए?
It's a great
बोल सकते हैं
cast is same. Yeah, Achint, Ravi and I are back together in the same series, but with a different storyline and on a web medium. The medium is also different. I think that's great. And after 5 years, it has actually been
Yeah.
modernized well, and today's age storyline. So everything is changed as per today's time. So yes, leaving behind old memories but bringing back the same cast, I think is a great thing.
Yeah. It's the same, ditto. I won't have anything different to say. It's the same thing. The genre is completely different, जैसे इसने कहा. It's a thriller genre now. And relationships बदल गए हैं. Handle करने का तरीका बदल गया है. Look बदल गई है. The way we've shot it has changed. So everything has actually changed from that.
किरदार के बारे में थोड़ा सा किरदार के बारे में आपको क्या
किरदार हमारे मोरलेस
Same तो नहीं है.
सेम तो नहीं है बट ओके तो मैं अपनी जैसे बात करती हूँ शी इज़ अ सिंगल वुमन एंड शी इज़ अ मैन ऑल्सो शी हैज़ वेरी वेरी आई मीन शी इज़ वन ऑफ द क्या कैसे समझाऊँ one of the biggest businesswoman or businessman I suppose the country might be having, and she's independent, she's an opportunist, she's very intelligent, she is shrewd, and but everything is real and honest. There's no negative, there is no positive in the serial.
In terms of styling, we are completely different, as you must have seen in the trailer. TV पे there's a niceness about the character. There's a nicety, and what you wear. So वो सब बिल्कुल change होके it's a modern, like I said, it's a modern version of all three of us. Like Achint has all gone western. She was पहले भी western थी, but she was in saris and I was in normal kurti and jeans, like a typical TV western thing that we call the western girls. But here it's I think I have inculcated more of Nia styling into Roshni's character, and plot again. It's the same rich girl, and the mother daughter are same, but a different perspective from the life, off life, and all the things have changed, but more or
Yeah.
less, yeah.
कहानी बिल्कुल भी सेम नहीं है या
जमाई देखो जो एक आइकॉनिक सीरियल रहा अपने टाइम में खासतौर पे तो जमाई 2.0 नाम है क्या स्टोरी लाइन थी जो सबसे बेस्ट लगी आपको कि करना चाहिए कास्ट भी सेम है
हमने तो कुछ भी नहीं पूछा, हमें पता चला हम तीनों कर रहे हैं, हम तो तीनों को था कि हम
ऐसा-
तीनों कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, मुझे
Like हम तीनों को अलग अलग फोन कॉल्स गए होंगे, and I think all three of us were like, yeah, three of us are doing it. I mean, ये अपना प्रोजेक्ट है, इतना ज्यादा मतलब
there was
बहुत
no need
भरोसा
to
है
say
इस पे.
no to it. It was just
Yeah.
that three of us had to have the same dates and come together for the same project at the same time. So we did, and I think it was the biggest achievement to get three of us together
Yeah.
at the same time. You know,
OTT प्लेटफॉर्म में क्या
best cheese hai, you know, OTT platform. It has gone a notch higher in terms of its storyline and everything, or limitations nahi hai. So you know, the best part is that it's not a sequel on TV. Otherwise, वो same ही रह
वो
जाता.
more or less same
It
हो
would have been
जाता
a season 2, but it would have been a same atmosphere. But
Yeah.
the buzz is because you know it's a different avatar of all three of us with the same people, and you
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
टीजर
I
और
guess so.
ट्रेलर दोनों को काफी सराहा गया है, मिलियंस में व्यू गए हैं. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स की बात करें तो कुछ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स जो हमसे शेयर कर सकते हैं.
मेरे बहुत सारे हैं, तुम बताओ.
I think Ravi and I have gotten immense love to, as Jodi of you know coming back together and having the same pictures, you know. And Achint has come back, and people are really saying that she is nobody can replace her as Didi. You know, those are the comments that, and it's true. You know, you can't take that away from her. So everybody is so powerful in their characters. I'm so glad the trailer shows it so nicely and very well. So it is great.
मैं वही कह रही हूँ,
इंडस्ट्री से कुछ मिला हो आपको?
मतलब इंडस्ट्री से बहुत कुछ मिला है मुझे.
Compliments
नहीं, क्यूरोसिटी लेवल बहुत ज़्यादा है. बहुत लोगों ने फ़ोन करके, मैसेजेस करके, लाइक मेरी टीम है जो मैं MX प्लेयर के लिए भी कुछ कर रही हूँ, तो उन सबके मैसेजेस आए हैं. यू नो द पोस्टर्स आर लुकिंग ब्रिलियंट, द ट्रेलर इज़ ब्रिलियंट, द टीज़र मुझे पहली बार आया था, इट्स सो पैक एंड ब्यूटीफुल. तो बहुत सारे अभी तक पॉजिटिव फीडबैक ही आ रहे हैं, टू बी ऑनेस्ट विद यू.
किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस ओवरऑल रहा शूट?
Oh wow. Oh wow. So we have a brilliant technical team, our director Sashant and our DOP Madhu.
Madhu sir.
And yeah. They the way they have worked ना, मतलब वो look ही अलग है. हम वेब शूट कर रहे हैं और इसकी हमें बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है. मतलब थॉट से भी, इमोशन से भी, आइडेंटिटी से भी हम वेब शूट कर रहे हैं, एंड इट्स ब्यूटीफुल.
It's releasing on 10th of September on Z5, so please watch it, guys, and you'll not be disappointed. I'm
Yeah.
sure. Thank you.
Z5 it is, 10th of September, Jamai 2.0. Yeah. See you there.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Aarti.